Hello everyone, Mr. Hisner here, and today we are going to move forward with our trigonometry unit. And this next unit is the law of sines. Now, the law of sines is a ratio, a proportion that we make to use in order to find side lengths, missing side lengths, and missing angle measures. First, today we're going to be looking at only side lengths. Tomorrow, the next lesson we see will be finding angle measures. And what you'll notice right away is these are not for right triangles. These are for any triangles. Any triangle which we can draw really will be able to use this proportion to find the missing values. Notice that the proportion is the sine of the angle divided by its opposite side. Sine of B divided by its opposite side, right? Sine B divided by Y. Sine C, sine of the angle. This is an angle measurement divided by the opposite side. That's what it's looking at here. So, if example, I'm just going to draw another one down here, just kind of out of the way here. 12, 71. 35x. So if you notice that, okay, we want to use sine of the angle divided by its opposite side. So in blue here, I would have sine of 71 divided by its opposite side, x. It's equal to, okay, sine of the angle divided by its opposite side. Sine of the angle, 35, divided by its opposite side, 12. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to just do some cross multiplication. So here we go. We have, what? Oh, that's right. Okay, let's cross multiply. So this is x times sine of 35, and this is 12 times sine of 71. I'm just going to leave it like this, just because you'll see, because at the end of this, don't round, just don't round. It will be easier not to, and your answer might not be correct, especially with the fill in the blanks. The way that I'm doing these, the way that I'm going to recommend everyone doing this, is just kind of hold off until the end to do your rounding, and I'll show you why in a second. So now, again, we've been seeing this. We want to solve for x. This is our number times x, so we want to divide both sides by the sine of 35. Okay, now notice these two things will cancel. We're left with just x. And x is going to be equal to 12 times the sine of 71 divided by the sine of 35. Now, this is going to be key in putting this into your calculator correctly. So here we go. Scientific calculator. All right, so what do I have here? I'm going to put the numerator, put the top of the fraction in the parentheses. 12 times sine 35. So I'm closing double parens here. Now I'm going to do divided by the sine of 35. Oh, radians. Oh, blast. Okay, 12. I got to put in parens. 12 times, again, I have to wrap the whole numerator in parentheses. The sine of 71, double parens, divided by the denominator at the bottom. This was sine of 35. Sine of 35%. One more time. Okay, my bad. Okay, here we go. Wrap the parens. Okay, 12 sine 71, double parens, divided by the sine of 35, close parentheses, enter. There it is. Okay, this is 19.8. I'm going to round this to 19.8. Again, what you want to do here is the calculator, the input into the calculator will look like 12 sine 71, double parens, divided by sine 35, close parens. So this is going to be very key, because if you are taking the decimal here, you might get some rounding errors. If you're going to be using decimals in these places, you might get some rounding errors. So you want to wait till the very end. Okay, this video is essentially over. You don't have to watch the next example, although I am going to do another example. So if you feel good with this stuff, you're more than welcome to try the classwork. But I am going to do just one more example here. So here we go. We got one that looks like this. 73 across 20. 59 x. Okay, sine of the angle divided by the opposite side is equal to sine of the angle divided by the opposite side. And now here again, cross multiply. 20 sine of 59 is equal to the sine of 73 times x. Divide both sides by whatever's being multiplied by x. Put some parens here. Okay, and this is what we're going to put into our calculator, right? So we know that we're going to be left with x is equal to, please stop this. X is equal to what was it? It was 20. Now I got to wrap it in parens. 20 sine (59) divided by sine 73. Enter. 17.9. Yeah, okay, that's what I had. Okay, 17.9. For some reason when I was looking at my notes, it just didn't seem right. But that's right, that is correct. Okay, guys, so this is how we do it. The idea here is that all we're doing is, again, the angle divided by, right, the top, or the opposite side. So that's the idea here. All right, thanks for watching, guys.